Hello, friends. Discover the latest and coolest kitchen gadgets you need to upgrade your cooking game. From smart tools to time-saving devices, these must-haves are perfect for every home chef. Watch now to see them in action and make your kitchen life easier. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gadget reviews. So friends, let's start the video. Dash Mini Rice Cooker Steamer. The Dash Mini Rice Cooker Steamer is a compact yet versatile kitchen appliance designed to simplify meal preparation for individuals or small families. With a capacity of 2 cups, this rice cooker is perfect for cooking just the right amount of rice, grains, or even soups and stews without overwhelming your kitchen space. Measuring 6.5 inches in diameter and 8.5 inches in width, its small footprint allows it to fit easily on countertops, making it an excellent choice for dorms, apartments, or anywhere space is limited. Powered by a 200-watt electric source, this rice cooker is both efficient and user-friendly. It features a manual operation that eliminates the complexities often associated with digital interfaces, making it accessible for all users. The included components, a rice paddle, measuring cup, removable pot, and a recipe guide further enhance its functionality, enabling you to explore a variety of cooking options beyond just rice. OXO Good Grips Large Salad Spinner. The OXO Good Grips Large Salad Spinner stands out as an essential tool for anyone looking to enhance their salad preparation experience. With a practical design and user-friendly features, this salad spinner simplifies the process of washing and drying greens, ensuring that your salads are crisp and fresh. Measuring 6 into 10.5 into 10.5 inches and weighing 2.5 pounds, it strikes an ideal balance between capacity and convenience. The spinner holds a substantial amount of leafy greens, making it suitable for both individual use and larger family meals. Its compact size allows it to fit comfortably on countertops without taking up too much space. Zule Kitchen Powerful Milk Frother Wand. The Zule Kitchen Powerful Milk Frother Wand impresses with its blend of efficacy and design, making it a must-have kitchen tool for both coffee aficionados and casual users. Weighing a mere 5.3 ounces, this lightweight frother boasts a sleek midnight black finish and durable stainless steel construction. It features a robust Z1 motor with a power output of 30 watts, ensuring that you can froth milk to perfection in mere seconds. Setting it apart from many competitors is the inclusion of a durable stand, allowing for easy storage and accessibility. The Milk Boss frother operates on 2 AA batteries, which are conveniently included, eliminating any immediate hassle for users. It's designed for residential use, making it ideal for home coffee stations, enabling you to create cafe-style beverages without stepping foot outside. NuWave Brio Air Fryer Oven. The NuWave Brio Air Fryer Oven is an impressive kitchen appliance that successfully combines functionality with convenience, making it suitable for a wide range of culinary applications. With a robust capacity of 15.5 quarts, it is designed to cater to families, allowing you to cook larger portions without compromising on quality or flavor. The sleek black stainless steel design not only enhances the aesthetic of your kitchen, but also ensures durability, standing up to the rigors of daily use. Over-the-Sink Dish Drainer Drying Rack. The Over-the-Sink Dish Drainer Drying Rack by Levad stands out as a thoughtful solution for maximizing kitchen space while enhancing functionality. Crafted from durable stainless steel, this rack combines longevity with a sleek black finish that adds a modern touch to any kitchen decor. With dimensions of 11 inches in depth, 37.6 inches in width, and a height of 33.35 inches, it offers ample room for drying dishes and utensils, effectively utilizing the often overlooked area above the sink.